Hi, I'm 𝐁𝐸𝐻𝐿, and welcome to this beautiful home at 623 Sylvan Ramble Road, 3-bed, 2-bath, 1418 SQFT in the heart of Davenport, Florida. If you're looking for the perfect blend of comfort and convenience, this is the home you've been waiting for. Located in a serene neighborhood, this stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home boasts 1,418 square feet of living space. Whether you're a growing family or simply looking for more room to spread out, this home has it all. Step inside to an open floor plan that's perfect for both entertaining and relaxing. The spacious living room flows seamlessly into the modern kitchen, where you'll find all the space you need to cook and gather with friends and family. The bedrooms are generously sized, providing plenty of room for rest and relaxation. And the bathrooms, updated and beautifully designed for your comfort. Plus, the backyard is perfect for those weekend barbecues, with plenty of space for outdoor activities or just enjoying the beautiful Florida weather. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. If you're interested or had any questions, give me a call or send me a message. I'm 𝐁𝐸𝐻𝐿.